Hi guys. So for the management packaging to update to you. Wow. See, look at that. Very nice. Wow, for the management meals. Voila, ulala. Nice it, huh? Nice. Wow, delicious.
Wow.
Mm.
Iba ba na? Yes, na. Iba. Yes,
So with kubos, this is the kubos. Yeah, this is the kubos. Yeah, for this hummus. Yeah, for this hummus, you can to like spread slowly with small piece, and then you can put it. Oh, nice! It very delicious. Wow. So now how to packaging like this of our waiter. Very handsome waiter, Mr. Sandeep. And then assistant, it's Mr.
Hi guys.
Abu Kalam. See? Hi guys. Yeah. Yeah, that's only the white teeth. See? This is the procedure how to packaging. Yeah. See? Ooh la la. See? Now, secured now that our package. This is the final.
Yeah.
See, it is a final packaging. Yeah. So, this is a final package. Ooh la la. Nice it, huh?
Yes, no?
So, that's why we have prepared that. See? Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Mr. Sandeep, bye.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.